How to hide your birthday on Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three dots, three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy, and instead of going to the settings you have to click on the privacy shortcuts. Here you can see, and then when you click on this you come to this page, and what you have to do is click on the review of few important privacy settings, and when you click on this you can see who can see what you share. You have to click on this, and then continue, and here you can see the birthday. You have to click on this friends of friends, like it is writing in the right side of your date of birth. So click on this, and choose only to, and click on this icon and choose only me, and then click on also this and choose only me, and so that's basically it. And what you have to do is click on the next, and so that's it. And your birthday is now no one can know that, and you have hide your birthday. So that's basically that, how you can hide your birthday on Facebook in 2021. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, share with you, and share it with your friends, and also comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.